For those new to eco-printing in the dirty pot without using traditional powdered mordants, here are the top 3 mistakes that beginners are most likely to make. The first one is preparing your fabric and also choosing which fabric to eco-print on. It's false economy not to start with a protein-based fabric such as wool or silk, because those fabrics are the easiest to actually achieve good, bright, colorful prints on. However, it is also possible to start eco-printing on linen or cotton, providing you prepare your fabric correctly. And the second thing that is the most that contributes a lot to bad results is choosing the wrong vegetation. And you may have seen a lot of beautiful eco prints online and colorful pieces and flowers and all sorts of pretty colors in the background. But when you are working without traditional powdered mordants, these colors may not fix on your fabric, regardless of whether it's wool, silk, linen, cotton, or something else. So it's important to choose your vegetation wisely. And I recommend that everybody starts with onion skins, that they learn the process and then move on to different vegetation. And then the third huge mistake that beginners tend to make when working in the dirty pot is not boiling their pot liquid, not keeping it at that bubbly, rolling boil throughout the eco-printing process. When we are working without traditional powdered mordants, the chemicals used to fix color on fabric, we need to do this for a longer period of time than if we were steaming on mordanted fabric. And this is what helps get clear, crisp, washable and color fast prints. And we need to add some rusty metal into our pot for the best results. Now, these are the top 3 mistakes, and I have plenty of videos on YouTube, free videos to help you overcome them. So make sure that you select your fabric wisely and that you prepare it correctly. Make sure that you choose your vegetation wisely and don't expect everything to print. Don't vomit all the leaves and flowers from your garden onto your fabric. And then when you are processing your bundles, make sure to boil, keep the bundles in the pot on this bubbling, rolling boil, and you should be successful. Have fun and create some beautiful textiles.